what we will discuss in future of blockchain is how you can be in the blockchain world. Where is your place? How can you get into it? And how can you like get into the blockchain and start earning, become a part of blockchain? First, we will go with the technical fields. Like there are front-end engineers, tech architects, software engineers, which are ever. These are the examples I have listed. There are a lot of more examples. Like there are project auditors, there are project managers, there are project developers, etc. These are the fields. I have listed some out of it, like software engineers. What are software engineers? They create the software over blockchain, like creating a decentralized application or creating the blockchain itself. That's what they do. And average salary they get is around 7 to 8 LPA. The second field is tech architect. The role of tech architect is to design the product they are building, and as one of the highest paying jobs in the blockchain, and they offer like around 18 LPA and more. There are also front-end engineers who build the website, applications, then anything which is visually visible to you, like AR, VR, then uh, websites, mobile applications, everything that comes under front-end engineers, and they design it, they build it, and every salary start from 5 to 6 LPA. These are some of the technical fields. Any field you want to know about? Like you can discuss here, like you want to know that how can I get as a graphic designer, as a etc. That how can I get into it as this, and I will surely tell you some things. Some non-technical things are like product managers, who manages the product, how the roles are distributed, then how the duties are assigned, how projects are managed, how the projects are being completed, and the products are delivered on the blockchain. This is the one role which is available, and the average salary gives is like 16, 17, 18, around that 16, 17 LPA. Then business analyst is one who analyzes the business of the product and who suggests some business plans and all. Uh, this is like they can, and they have a large portion of work on business analysis to evaluate the technologies. They evaluate the technology which is the best for this business, and they suggest some changes in the product. An average salary start from 6, 7 LPA. It is the average salary. It can be more also, and it can be around that number 6, 7 LPA. It can be any salary. It depends on the project also what they're offering. A third field can be a community manager. Like you can say a lot of projects are built and each project has its own community, so manage that community, manage their users, keep users interacted on social medias, and organize events in that community, keep the community engaged with the project. uh, it's a full-time job to use Telegram, Discord, social medias like this. These are the what they offer. What word offers, like average salary distribution all over the world for blockchain profiles is, in Asia there is around 87,500 per annum in dollars, in USD. In Europe it's around 73,300 per annum. In UK it's 90,000 per annum, and startups are paying a bit less than the more established companies, as they have minimum amount of fundings and all. So these are like blockchain profiles which are being offered. The jobs are being offered in that way. And if you want to be the part of any of this, then it's very easy. It's very simple procedure how you can be the part of it. And this is what each and every field offers. And you can ask in the chat like what you want to know about which field and everything. If you want to know about any field, how to get certified. To get certified as a blockchain developer, it's a technical field, so there are some certification programs. Uh, like there are some of like upgrade is also giving some graduation program like post graduation program for blockchain developers. Then there are some other companies also which provide certification. So you will need to research about which company is doing the best certification for it. Before getting the certification, you also should see that before the certification, what exam they are going to take for you, what you need to know before giving that exams, and uh, what technical knowledge you need for the exams and all. The next question is like, what is the coding languages we need to know? Does Python work to build blockchain? Yes. This is the slide for you. What you are waiting for, technical skills you need. So like for developing smart contracts, you can use Solidity, Rust, Python, JavaScript, and TypeScript. But yes, it also depends which platform you're choosing. If you're choosing Ethereum to develop, you will need Solidity. If you are choosing like Solana to develop, you will need Rust. If you are choosing Tezos to develop on, Tezos will, and you can get Python, JavaScript, TypeScript. This type of languages are supported by Tezos for creating smart contracts. What are smart contracts? Smart contracts is a piece of code which is a logical structure of any product. Like when you see open a website, you can see the front end, but at back end there are servers which are running on, and they stores data, which computes the data and everything. For that, logic is written in smart contracts, and they are stored on the blockchain. Then you should, if you're building the blockchain itself, you need mathematical properties, basic understanding of algorithms. You should know C, C++, Python, Java, etc. And this technology completely depends on what you're working. And the command over blockchain development tools, like these are the development tools which are used, like Get, Mist, Parity, Remix, Solium, Truffle, etc. are the products. These are development tools that they help to develop. Like Remix is the IDE which will help you to create smart contracts using Solidity. That Truffle is a JS library which will help you to integrate your front end to the smart contract. Then thank you, Sachin, for that link. It will be helpful for everyone. I think so. You can get certifications from this blockchain council also. At the start of my journey also, I researched about this and I found out that this is one of the good companies which provide certification. So exposure to fintech technology, cryptography, information science, and open sourcing. So these are like technologies and some technical terms you also should know before entering. So one last thing, this is everything technical. So who want to be a developer, who want to build a blockchain, etc. This is for them. What is for the non-technical guys? So I will give a basic roadmap for blockchain developers. And when I say developers, it might be quite technical, but 80% of it is applicable for everyone, and last some part is applicable for technical people. So when you see here, you can see like understanding the existing systems and why we need a blockchain. This is the first stage. So like we also discussed in our first session that why blockchain is future, why we need blockchain and everything. There from there what we started learning the evolution history and introduction to blockchain, how blockchain works and fundamentals of it. This was the second session we took on Monday, I think so. That how blockchain works and what are functionalities, basic terminologies, concepts, and everything we covered in that sessions also. And we learned about cryptography and cryptocurrencies also in yesterday's session. So like we have started, like I have given you the basic information which you need to start as a blockchain developer now in these 2 to 3 sessions. Now, introduction to Ethereum, smart contracts, develop your own blockchain and cryptocurrency. These are some technical and some project-based things. Now, this depends on what you want. When you come to stage 5, in in front of stage 5 depends. If you're a graphic designer and if you have good skills in graphics, you can go to any NFT project and be a graphic designer for that NFT project also. Not only NFT project, you can go for a metaverse project where metaverse is wants assets in their 3D assets, 2D assets in the metaverse, you can design assets for them. You can also go in normal projects which are built on blockchain. They offer you UI UX designing job roles, like you can design the user experience, user interface of the websites. These are the jobs which they provide also. Then if you are a finance guy, then you can also be a financial advisor, or like CFO of any company, chief financial officer of any company. In this way, like stage for till stage 5, everyone should need to know something about the blockchain before getting into the blockchain technology. And I hope so everything I have covered here up till here is clear to you, and you have now the basic knowledge of blockchain what you want. Apart from that, this stage 6 7 totally depends on what you want to become. Like if you want to become a front end developer, then instead of introduction to Ethereum and smart contracts, you will need introduction to HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, AngularJS in that way. For example, if you want to become a content creator, then instead of you are required to know how to write content. Then if you have any previous experience in content, then it will be a good journey to you, because you already reached the stage 5 by knowing the blockchain, and you can start creating the content over it. Uh, so like till stage 5, the roadmap is pretty similar to everyone. After, it uh, depends on what you want to go with. Any doubt till here? Like any doubts, any feedback, any questions you can ask. That was the today's session. You can scan the QR code, or you can visit on the below links, and you can message me there that, hey, hey Sanket, I attended your lectures and this is my feedback, or this is my doubt, or how did I mix this slides is very good. Shashank, I use Canva for creating the slideshows and all, and it provides me pretty good features there. Very informative session. Thank you so much, Manish. Yeah, you can visit Canva. There are a lot of templates, pre-designed templates also, and they also offer you uh, customization. You can create your own templates also. So, thank you so much, Vivan. Thank you so much, team. Any doubts you can ask me now. If not now, you can connect me to any social media, and I will be open to clear your doubts there. Thank you so much, Vivan. Anyone else? Any doubts? You are a trainer. Yes, I am a developer also. I also run my own company where I'm creating a project. It's a decentralized gaming platform which I'm building over there as a blockchain. It's like a platform where games can be hosted over blockchain, played over blockchain. You can play and earn from these games. That's the platform I'm building. It's my own company, and then apart from that, I'm also working as a blockchain developer in some company, and then I'm also teaching people to learn blockchain. Yeah, that's what I'm doing currently. Yeah, don't forget to hit the follow button to be notified for my next session. So the next session I'm planning that we will go deep into NFTs. We will go deep into DeFi, DAO, etc., etc. And after you get the complete knowledge of what is DeFi, what is NFT, what is DAO, one day we will be building our own project on this platform. Surely. Yeah. Thank you so much. Okay, I will share my Twitter profile. Yeah, that's my Twitter profile. and this is my LinkedIn. You can connect me anywhere. Thank you so much. You can ask your doubts now, afterwards, and if you are watching the recorded session, you will get the link for my social media there also, and you can contact me there for any doubts, and we will see you. We'll definitely see you in the next session now. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you, Raju. Thank you so much. Yeah. I'll definitely get connected to you. Okay, I'm leaving now. Thank you so much.